Welcome to Momentum Minds, your go-to channel for actionable insights to achieve financial freedom and personal growth. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on game-changing tips like this. Now, did you know there are completely legal ways to make money without paying taxes? It's not about avoiding responsibility, it's about understanding the system. Stick around, and I'll show you the top strategies backed by science and law, to keep more of what you earn. Invest in Roth IRAs. Roth IRAs allow your investments to grow tax-free, and you don't pay taxes when you withdraw at retirement. It's a legal way to earn and save more. Sell personal assets. Did you know selling your personal belongings like old furniture or electronics is generally non-taxable? Just ensure the item sells for less than its original cost. Gifts and inheritance. Many countries allow you to receive cash gifts or inheritance up to a certain limit without tax. For example, in the US, you can receive up to $17,000 annually as a gift without tax implications. Here's a scientific hack. Make use of the cognitive bias called loss aversion. Loss aversion means people are motivated to avoid losses more than they're motivated by gains. Use this to save more by automating your income into tax-advantaged accounts like HSAs or 401(k)s. The automation reduces the mental burden of decision-making, ensuring you save money tax-free before spending it. Start a small business or side hustle. Small business owners can claim deductions on equipment, travel, and even home office space. With strategic planning, you can operate tax-efficiently. Invest in real estate. Rental property income can be offset by expenses like maintenance and depreciation, often resulting in little to no tax liability. Charitable contributions. Donate a portion of your income or goods to charities. These donations are often tax-deductible, allowing you to give back while reducing your tax burden. Move to a tax-friendly state or country. Some regions have no income tax, like Texas or Florida in the US, or offer tax incentives for remote workers, like Portugal or Dubai. Foreign earned income exclusion. If you work abroad, you may qualify to exclude a significant amount of your income from U.S. taxes. For 2024, this amount is $125,000 annually. Making money without paying taxes isn't just for the ultra-wealthy. By understanding the rules and using science-backed strategies, you can grow your wealth legally and ethically. Let me know which strategy you're trying first in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Momentum Minds for more insights that drive success.